square root, we will find out the square root of these tables. How? First of all, you have to simply find out the square root of 50,625. 50,625 simply by using long division method. It is only whole number, no decimal here. Then we will make periods. First of all, right to left. First period, second period, third period. It means in quotient we will find out here 3 digits because number of periods are 3. We will take divisor. 2 2s are 4 minus 5 minus 4 is 1. We will bring down the next period 0 6. Now it is the new dividend. What will we write? What is the current quotient? Current quotient is 2. Double of 2 is 4 and 1 fill up. Now what will we write here? If we will write here 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. It means 129 is greater than. We will write here 2. Multiply by 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8. Then we will subtract. 6 minus 4 is 2. 10 minus 8 is 2. And we will write here 2. Now we will bring down the next period 2 5. What is the new dividend? 2225. What will we write here? Now current quotient is 22. Double of 22 is 44 and 1 fill up. Now write down here 1 digit. It will be 5 multiplied by 5. 5 5s are 25. 2. 5 4s are 20. 20 and 2 22. 2. 5 4s are 20. 20 and 2 22. Same. Then subtract. We will get remainder 0 here. What is the? We will write here 5 also. What is the square root of 50,625 equal to 225? Now the help of this square root, we will find out the square root of these number because these are same but these are in decimal. First of all, we will write 506 decimal 25 plus square root of 5 decimal 0625. We will make periods because periods are very important. How? It is the whole part, it is the decimal part. It is the whole part, it is the decimal part. In whole part, we will make periods right to left, 0 6 and 1 5. And in the decimal part, we will make period left to right. Same decimal part 0 6 and 2 5 second period. Its answer will be 22 decimal here 0.5 plus its answer will be 2 decimal 25. Write the decimal at correct position. Now 22.5 means 22.50 because in this here are 2 decimal places, so we will like these 2 like terms. 22.50 we can write 2 decimal 25. We will add them. It is 5, it is 7, decimal 2 and 2 4. Then answer is 24 decimal 7. First of all, find out the square root of this number with the help of this number. Then put the given value write down the decimal at correct place. If there is subtraction, then write sign of minus, then do minus. If it is plus, then add them and write down the answer. Now, example number 2. If you have find out the square root of 49 plus square root of 0.0049 and plus 0.49, we will write square root of 49 equal to 7. Square root of 0.0049. We will make period. Decimal part, whole part. Whole part 0. We will make periods. Then what will be the answer? 0 decimal. This period here is 1 0 and it is 7. And square root of 0.49. In decimal part it is only 1 period. In this statement, in decimal part 2 periods, then there will be 2 digits. Here in decimal part it is only 1 period. So in question it will be only 1 digit. Then we will add 7 plus 0.07 plus 0.7. We will make like 0.07, 0.7. We will write 0 here. 7, 7.7. Answer is 7.77. To make periods, it is very important how to make periods in whole part and in decimal part. Next example. Area of square field is 40,401 meter square. Find the length of side of square field. Square field. How to write, how to do it? First of all, area of square field. We will write the same. Area of solution. Area of square field is 40,401 meter square. What is the area of square field? You know very well. Side multiplied by side is equal to 40,401. Side square is 40,401. We will write both sides square root because we need only side, not side square. Square and square root cancel. Side is 40,401 square root. You can find out now square root of 40,401 by any one method. We will apply here long division method. We will make periods. 2 2s are 4, minus 4 minus 4 is 0, we will bring out the next period 0 4. We will write here double of current question is 2, double of 2 is 4, 1 filler. Now it is only 4, 0 0 4 means only 4. If we will write here 0, then it will become 0. If we will write here 1, it will become 41. Then we will write here 0, multiply by 0. It will be 0. Then subtract 4. We will write here 0. Then bring out the next period. Now double of 20 is 40 and 1 filler. We will write here 1 because it is 401. We will multiply by 1. It is 401. We will subtract, it is 0. It means length of side of square, we will write here 1 also. Length of side of square field is 201 meter. You have to write last step in words because you have to find out the length of side of square field, and you have to write these steps because these are very important. No direct find out the square root of this. You have to write down these steps. Thanks.